In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your remote on your Grundig TV is not working. Okay, for the first, what we can try to do is, if the remote is not working, then we can try to fully unplug the TV. So unplug the power supply of the TV, and then wait like 3 minutes, and then you can plug it in again. This is only to fully restart your TV, and sometimes this helps a lot. Okay, and if this doesn't work, then we can go here to our remote. So what we can try to do is that we go into our mobile phone camera and then press and hold a button, and sometimes you see like here on the top of the remote a flickering light if you don't have like the lighting on, like I have right now. And when you see this flickering light, then this is a good sign, because then the remote is working here. So it sends signals to the TV. So what we can try to do is that we clean the remote here, and also clean like the TV here down there. Okay, and if you don't see like this flickering light, then it can be the case, it don't have to, but it can be the case that the TV is the remote is empty or like broken. So in every case, I recommend to open the remote up here and then easily change the battery here. So this is really important. Okay, and if nothing of this helps, then we can also try to unplug every single device of your remote. Also make sure that there is nothing standing in front of the TV which can block the signals from the remote. And after that, you can unplug every single device you have connected with the Grundig TV, because sometimes these devices can block like signals from the remote. And what we can try to do is that we unplug this, and if this helps, then that is good, because then you can let the single device which blocks the signals from the remote unplugged. Okay, and after we have checked all these things, then your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.